Record high temperatures have prompted dozens of wildfires in European countries. In Greece, crews have been battling large fires with water bomber planes and helicopters. Fires destroyed homes and farms and prompted evacuations of populated areas.
Here's my house. You can see I have nothing left. Only the clothes I'm wearing. Me and my wife and the child. Nothing is left. Right now we need help straight away. We have no house, no water, no sheets. Absolutely nothing.
An estimated 60 forest fires broke out in the past 24 hours. Most were quickly brought under control. But local weather service is predicting higher temperatures in the coming days in areas already experiencing a heat wave.
It was a nightmare last night. The situation was really bad. The area was inaccessible, and with strong winds, it was not easy for help to reach the area.
The disaster that's happened here is tremendous. Before the fire, this area was an exceptional green lung of the earth.
In Italy, extreme weather brought floods to the north and fires to cities across the south. Dozens of people have been relocated from coastal towns, and firefighters on the island of Sicily battled dozens of wildfires there. All this as temperatures continue to climb. Zain Basravi, Al Jazeera.